Superfood Evolution. Top 10 Superfoods, some of our personal favorites. This is our top 10 superfoods list of recommendations for those of you looking to increase your own nutritional potential by eating some of the best quality, nutritionally condensed foods available. These particular superfoods happen to be 10 of our personal favorites that can be easily added to blended drinks, recipes, or taken in supplement form. Certain superfoods on this list may personally call out to you, whereas others might be less appropriate for you and your current health goals. Number 1. Reishi mushroom. Reishi mushroom, or lunge, is one of the oldest mushrooms known to be used medicinally by humans. It is highly prized as a major tonic adaptogen in Chinese herbalism, ranking close to ginseng for its broad spectrum of health benefits. Often referred to as the mushroom of immortality, it has been valued as a longevity herb in Asian cultures for well over 2,000 years. Top benefits of reishi. Contains beta-glucan polysaccharides and antioxidant triterpenes like ganoderic acid. A potent immune modulator for fine-tuning the immune system. Referred to as the Great Protector, offering protective influence on many levels. Supportive to liver and cardiovascular functions. Can help protect against radioactive isotopes. Acts as a Shen tonic. Lunge means herb of spiritual potency and supports spiritual evolution. Number 2. Spirulina. Spirulina is a type of dried, powdered microalgae that was coined the best food for the future because of its excellent capacity at producing high-quality, condensed complete protein and essential nutrients more efficiently than most other food sources. Top benefits of spirulina. An energizing, protein-rich, plant-based food. A multivitamin source that includes a broad spectrum of nutrients. Contains antioxidants, phycocyanin, chlorophyll, and the carotenoids beta-carotene, zeaxanthin, and lutein. Cleansing to the blood and helps detoxify toxins. Comprised of sulfur and the sulfated polysaccharide calcium spirulan, a potent antiviral substance. Supports the production of enzymatic antioxidants like superoxide dismutase, or SOD. Number 3. Goji berries. Goji berries, also known as lychee or lycium fruit, are another prized major tonic herb highly valued in Chinese herbal therapies. While dried or reconstituted forms are considered quite nutritious when consumed like raisins or used in shakes and smoothies, simmering the fruits in hot water, tea formulas, soups, stews, or grains is traditionally believed to increase the release of goji's beneficial nutrients. Top benefits of goji berries. Helps to build the blood and supports liver functions. Contains carotenoid antioxidants like beta-carotene and zeaxanthin. Exhibits immune-modulating Lycium barbarum polysaccharides, or LBP. Helps to increase enzymatic antioxidants. Renowned beauty tonic and mood enhancer, nourishing to kidney yin deficiency or adrenal burnout. Number 4. Aloe vera gel. Many people around the world are familiar with aloe vera and its topical use as a skin moisturizer. But what many do not realize is that the inner gelatinous fillet of the leaf, especially from the Aloe barbadensis species, can also be consumed as a highly nutritious and fibrous food source. Top benefits of aloe vera gel. Rich in polysaccharides like glucomannan and acemannan. Soothing digestive aid and natural laxative. Helps with detoxification, constipation, and weight loss. Antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial, shown to inhibit the growth of candida. A source of MSM and sulfur, improves collagen production. Hydrating to the body and moisturizing to the skin. Number 5. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds and powders are a plant-based, protein-rich top 10 superfood containing good amounts of all essential amino acids. A little less than half a cup of hemp seeds contains 37 grams of protein, around twice the amount as most other nut and seed varieties. Top benefits of hemp seeds. Highly digestible protein content. Source of essential fatty acids and omega-3 fats. Offers omega-6 and omega-3 in a balanced 4:1 ratio. Contains gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, and vitamin E, tocopherols, and tocotrienols. Shown helpful for cardiovascular health and neurodegenerative diseases. Number 6. Hoshu Wu. Hoshu Wu, also called Polygonum multiflorum or Fo Tea, is considered a top longevity tonic in Chinese herbalism for its ability to preserve one's jing, a believed essential component to prolonging one's lifespan. The dark, reddish-brown root of Fo Tea is always prepared or cured for highest therapeutic value. Top benefits of Hoshu Wu. Premier tonic adaptogen and energy restorative. Utilized for tonifying jing and kidney yin. Can enhance libido and fertility in both men and women. Ability to encourage hair growth and slow down premature graying. Shown to boost anti-aging antioxidants like SOD. High in the dietary minerals zinc and iron. Supports and protects kidney and liver functions. Can exhibit neuroprotective effects shown to influence learning and memory. Number 7. Camu Camu berry. Camu Camu berry is a tropical fruit that comes from one of the most nutritionally dense regions of the world, the nutrient-rich soils and floodplains of the Amazon rainforest, a virtual treasure chest of many superfoods and herbs. Camu, preserved as a dried powder, is now a highly valued dietary supplement to the worldwide health community for its exceptionally high amounts of certain antioxidants. Top benefits of Camu Camu. Provides immune-boosting antioxidants and anti-inflammatory constituents. An absorbable form of plant-based vitamin C. Encourages collagen production, beneficial for healthy skin and wound repair. Promotes healthy joints, ligaments, and connective tissues. High in beta-carotene and anthocyanins. Source of the carotenoids lutein and zeaxanthin, which help to nourish the eyes. Number 8. Kelp seaweed. Kelp is a general term used to describe a class of brown sea vegetables like kombu or wakame. These are very nutritious seaweed varieties known to concentrate high levels of minerals from the seawater in which they grow. Most higher quality seaweeds available today often come from the colder, more pristine zones in the northern hemisphere and are highly monitored and tested for potential impurities. Top benefits of kelp seaweed. Condensed mineral-rich food for dietary fortification. Contains polysaccharides like algin, sulfated fucoidin, and laminarin. supports the detoxification process. Highly nourishing to the skin and hair. A source of iodine, helpful for thyroid function. Soothing to inflamed conditions. Dietary fiber content helps to promote bowel regularity. Number 9. Bee pollen. Bee pollen, considered to be the caviar of top 10 superfoods, is created by one of the master pollinators of the earth, the honeybee. It has been collected from beehives and used by many ancient civilizations for its health-enhancing properties and energizing effects on the body. It is one of the best natural multivitamins available, even when taken in very small doses. Top benefits of bee pollen. Contains about 40% bioavailable protein. Full spectrum of nutrients, including B vitamins like folic acid. An enzyme-rich food source and digestive aid. High in lecithin and rutin content. Shown to provide effects as an anti-inflammatory agent. Studied for its potential benefits to reproductive functions and fertility. Note, in rare cases, some people prone to asthma or pollen allergies have severe allergic reactions to bee pollen when ingested, so it is good to be aware if you are new to consuming it. Number 10. Maca root. Maca is a cruciferous, radish-like tuber that grows at high elevations in the South American Andes Mountains, where it has been utilized as a root vegetable for centuries. Often referred to as Peruvian ginseng for its energizing effects, it is most frequently consumed as a raw or gelatinized powder outside of its natural habitat. Top benefits of maca root. Natural, non-caffeinated energizer. Can help to increase stamina and physical endurance. Known as an aphrodisiac for its libido-enhancing influence. Shown to have a hormone-balancing effect for menopausal women. Potentially beneficial for increasing bone density. Precautions. Always consult your healthcare provider when making dietary changes, especially if pregnant or breastfeeding, when taking prescription medications and/or experiencing extreme health issues. Thanks for watching. For additional information and the very best sources of the top 10 superfoods we can find, be sure and investigate the links in the description box below this video. Please share and give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. And be sure and check out these other informational videos.